Hi class 2. So today welcome to English literature class. Today we are going to do chapter number 10, The Ugly Duckling. Okay. So what is duckling? We are going to see. So you look at the board, you can see the picture of a duck. Okay. So I have written here it is mother duck. So today you are going to read about this ugly duckling. The Ugly Duckling. So all of you please open your book, page number 109. Ugly Duckling. The Ugly Duckling. Okay. On a warm, bright summer day, Mother Duck was sitting in her nest. So it was a very sunny day. Okay. The sun was shining brightly and Mother Duck was feeling very sad. Okay. And she was alone, lonely. She was sitting there because you say on a warm bright summer day Mother Duck was sitting in her nest. The nest was at the edge of a lake. Okay, where was this duck was having the nest? At the edge of a lake, beside the lake. Okay, so beside the lake, here was the lake, and on the edge of the lake this duck was having her nest. Okay, there were 10 eggs inside the nest. How many eggs was there? 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 eggs were there in her nest. First, what happened? You see, crack. That means these eggs started breaking. Okay, the sound crack is made. Okay, C-R-A-A-K, crack. So the eggs are breaking, and from there small ducks, the ducks babies are coming out. Okay, so crack. One by one 9 eggs cracked open. Okay, so one by one all the eggs cracked open, and what came out from that egg? Pretty fluffy yellow ducklings, very cute ducklings. Okay, so the ducks babies are called ducklings. Okay, so what was the color of the ducklings? Yellow color. What is the meaning of fluffy? It is given in your book. Fluffy means very soft, very light, very delicate. Okay, so one by one all the eggs that cracked, they cracked. Okay, and the eggs hatched out. From the eggs the babies came out. Okay, so only one egg was left and that was not hatched. Okay, see, only one egg was left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 eggs already they were opened, cracked open, and from there small ducklings came out. Okay, the biggest egg of all cracked open last. Okay, so the biggest egg, this one, cracked last. Now before that I missed one line. Chip chip piped the little ducklings waddling around. What is the meaning of waddling? Waddling means walking with short steps while tilting from side to side. You know the ducks, how they walk. They move their body from side to side and they walk. Okay. And when these ducklings, they came out, okay, from here, all the ducklings, when they came out, and what type of sound they are making? They are making chip chip sound. Okay, they were making chip chip. Okay, then at last this biggest egg, this cracked, and from there came out a grey chick. From there came out what type of chick? a grey colored sheep. The next day, Mother Duck took all her little ducklings to the lake. Next day, the Mother Duck took all her chicks and went to the lake. The ducklings swam together beside their mother. So when the Mother Duck came here, okay, when the Mother Duck came here to swim, okay, so all her small ducklings, they were also swimming, okay. So there were many ducklings. I am not drawing so many, okay. So they were also swimming with the mother duck, okay. So the mother duck was swimming and also with the other little ducklings. The ducklings, they swam together beside their mother. Now turn to page number 110. The grey duckling could swim better than all the other ducklings. Okay. So the grey duckling which came out from here, from the last egg. Okay. From here came out the grey colored duckling. So that duckling was grey in color. The body was full of grey color, okay, but it could swim very nicely, okay. I couldn't draw properly. So that was, the body was grey color, okay, and this grey colored duckling could swim very nicely, better than the other ducklings, okay. The fluffy yellow ducklings came around him. Now these fluffy ducklings, they were surrounding this grey duckling, and these ducklings, they were all yellow colored, okay. These ducklings, they were yellow colored, and this duckling was grey colored. So these ducklings, they were telling to the grey duckling that you are not like us. They said, you are an ugly grey duckling. So who said this? These yellow ducklings, they are telling to this grey duckling that you are not like us. You are very ugly. You are very looking bad. Okay, ugly means, you know, that is not very beautiful. That is called ugly. So you are an ugly grey duckling. We will not play with you. So these ducklings, they told to the grey duckling that we won't be playing with you. We won't swim with you. Okay. Then at the farmyard, the other animals teased him and laughed at him. So at the farmyard, when they were all playing in the farm with the other animals also were laughing at this grey duck. Okay. They were also laughing at this grey duckling. Whoever heard of a grey duckling, they said. So, whoever heard about this grey duckling, they would laugh. Okay. So, the little duckling, this grey duckling, felt very sad. One night, he crept away. That means one night he thought, why I will stay here? No one likes me, so I will go. So, one day this grey duckling went away. Okay. Then he was hiding himself, means inside some bulrushes, okay, in some bulrushes by the lake, too frightened to return. What is the meaning of bulrushes? Bulrushes meaning is a plant with grass-like leaves. So he was hiding under a plant. There was some bulrushes, some grass-like plant like this. This is called bulrushes. Okay. So this grey duckling was hiding here. Okay, this grey duckling was hiding behind the bulrushes. Okay, and this grey duckling was so frightened, he was so afraid that he was not coming out from there. All through the hot summer, he stayed outside the farmyard, eating what he could find. Okay, So all through the dry summer, this gray duckling was staying behind this grass, okay, bulrushes. He was all, and whatever he was getting anywhere, he was eating that one, okay, whatever he was getting, he was eating. He was all alone. Then came autumn. He was alone there, and then the autumn season came. The leaves turned brown and fell from the trees. Now the leaves of these bulrushes, it became what color? Brown color, and it became dry and it fell, and fell from the trees. So the leaves there, the other trees, what was there also, all the leaves of the trees, they turned brown color and they fell from the trees. Soon it became winter. So it was summer season. All over the summer season, the duck was staying there, okay. After the summer season, it came the autumn season. Then also it was staying there, and after the autumn season, it came the winter season. The sky was gray and cold winds blew. So it was very cold. The sky was gray color and cold winds blew. So students, we will do up to this only. The sky was gray and cold winds blew. In our next class, we will continue this story. Okay. So please read this story properly, and whatever meanings are there, please read it and learn it and write it in your copy. Okay. Bye class 2.